Hello, my name is Faizan Sharif and I am going to talk to you about complex addition. In my previous video, we talked about simple addition and here's a recap on it. 2 plus 3 and there are two main ways to do it, using circles and using a number line. Using circles would be like this, 2 circles, 3 circles, and you have to bring these together to get a total of 5. Using a number line looks like this. The starting point is the 2 and you have to move 3 steps just as shown in the question. You will come across the number 5 and 5 is your answer. Now on to one of the methods of complex addition, the addition table. An example is 8 plus 9 and on the addition table it would look like this. The first step is you go down the first row and pick out the first number, which is 8. The second step is you have to go along the top row and you have to find the second number which is in the equation, and this is the number 9. The last and final step is you have to go down and you have to bring the numbers together and you should get an answer of 17. You will need to know all of these simple calculations off by heart. This includes the number bonds to 10, an example is 3 plus 7, to 20, 13 plus 7, and to 100, 50 plus 50. Now on to the separating to place value method. An example is 29 plus 40 and on the columns it would look like this, 29 and 40. The first step is there are two tens, so it will equal 20 units. Therefore the first number will be 20. Underneath is 4 tens and this is 40, so you have to do 20 plus 40 and this gives you an answer of 60. These are the units column and in the first box is the number 9 and in the last box is 0. So 9 plus 0 will give you an answer of 9. Now on to the final step. You combine 60 units and 9 units together and this will give you an answer of 69. Now on to our final method, column addition, and this includes carrying. An example is 29 plus 46 and on the columns it would look like this, 29 and 46. You have to line up your numbers just like this and you have to add the units column and you should know these straight additions off by heart. If you need to carry over, you have to carry the first number in your answer and put it at the top of the tens column just as shown. The last number is the number 5 and the first number is the number 1, so you carry it over. Finally, you have to add the tens column and you do not forget to add up the number 1 that you carried on from the units column, and this will give you an answer of 75. Okay, now it's your turn. The practice questions. On the addition table, work out 6 and 7. Using the separating values method, work out 23 plus 34. Using column addition, work out the total of 79 and 26. Think of a problem for yourself and use all of the methods that I have shown you. This concludes our video on complex addition. I hope you liked it, and one last thing, please subscribe.